Friends, welcome to my channel The Science of Radio. In my last lecture, I had given you some explanation regarding electricity and basic bulbs, but unfortunately it was not complete. Today I am going to explain the basic of radios and its parts used inside a radio or a electronics receiver. Okay, now I am going to tell you what is a valve. A valve is also called a thermionic valve. It is also called vacuum valve. Okay. The basic of a valve is just like this. This is a vacuum glass tube. Inside this glass tube, it was completely vacuumed. The air is being taken out from this glass tube. Then some common parts I am going to explain in a valve, because the valve is considered to be the father of radio wave technology. It was the first invention by Sir J. Ambrose Fleming. He invented the vacuum valve first, and with this theory and with this technique of radio valve, now we are using transistors, ICs and chips. But the basic was vacuum valve. What is a vacuum valve? Now I am going to explain. See, in this glass tube there is no air. It is completely vacuumed. Okay, it is completely vacuumed, and after that some insertions were there. See, this is the filament. This is the heating part of the valve. This is the filament, and this is anode plate. Means this plate will be positively charged always. This is anode plate. Now this is the cathode unit. So when we apply a voltage to the filament, it gets red hot. Then the cathode plate, after getting heat, it emits some electrons. Now the electrons will, though the electrons are negatively charged particle, they flow from cathode to anode. Okay, the flow will be from cathode to anode, and there is a current flows in the anode, and we can take a load from this. Okay, now another item is inserted in between cathode and anode. That is a screen plate. This plate you are seeing, this is a screen plate. In other words, we can say a control grid. Means by inserting this screen plate, we can control the electron flow from cathode to anode. So accordingly, we will utilize the anode voltage to a radio circuit. There are different types of circuits in a radio. Now I am going to explain what is an electrical circuit. First you understand what is a circuit. See, there are three common types of circuit in a electrical or electronics device. One is resistive circuit. This is called resistive circuit. Okay? Okay. In any electrical circuit, there are three common circuits are there. One is resistive circuit, another is capacitive circuit, and the third one is inductive circuit. Now come to the point, what is resistive circuit? When a resistance is applied in between two voltage or in between two potentials, the circuit is completed as we call it resistive circuit. This is a resistive circuit because this is the resistance. Okay. Now what is a capacitive circuit? If we put a capacitor in between two potential differences, this will be called a capacitive circuit. Now what is inductive circuit? If we put a coil in between the potential differences, the circuit will be called as inductive circuit. Okay. The complete unit of any equipment is to be piled up by different types of circuits. It may be inductive, it may be resistive, it may be capacitive, or it may be inductive, resistive, or inductive, capacitive, and so on. So, now I think you all must have clear what is a circuit. Okay? Now I am going to tell you what are the basic functions of a valve. See, the basic functions of a radio valve is first rectification. This means, rectification means we can convert AC voltage to DC voltage. Now, what will happen? The first function of valve is rectification valve. Earlier, a valve was used to drop the electric voltage or electric current, that was called a barretter type valve. Barretter type valves were then non-existable. So a resistance was used. Now the function of valve is rectification. Second is amplification. Okay. Rectification is to be two types of rectification: half wave rectification and full wave rectification. Okay. First is half wave. Means, one is half wave rectification, means it's a sine wave rectification, and the second one is a full wave rectification, means it's a cosine wave rectification. So the first function of valve is rectification of current from AC to DC. Okay. Now the next I will explain you in my next lecture. Okay. Till that day, goodbye.